Hi everyone, welcome to the final video in our Excel demonstration series for the week 4 tutorial. We're up to the second part of question 5, and this is essentially going to involve pulling together all of the visualizations and descriptive statistics that we've produced so far into some cohesive dashboard. Okay. So creating a dashboard, right? Quite similarly to creating any type of like visualization. Um, the dashboard needs to try and communicate some story, and it needs to be used for some specific purpose, right? There needs to be some business justification for why a dashboard is created in the first place. That needs to motivate the choice of the visualizations and descriptive statistics that get produced to try and aid our manager, to like try and aid our decision maker to make some informed decision or understand something about the business, right? If we think about what a dashboard is doing, it's a form of descriptive or diagnostic analytics that allows us to very quickly present insights related to many aspects of a business or related to a problem or what we essentially find in our data set, right? So towards this end, we need to show like visualizations or a dashboard or like together in our like dashboard that are themselves cohesive and clearly communicate something to like something to our user, something to our viewer, right? So towards this end, um, in the same way as when we're presenting a visualization, we don't want unnecessary elements in our visualization. When we're presenting a dashboard, we do not want unnecessary visualizations or descriptive statistics that we're presenting. We want each of our elements in the dashboard to be communicating something unique and valuable. Because when we're showing a dashboard, there's an economy of space. We can't show everything. We need to show the most relevant things to the decision maker. Okay. Towards trying to communicate things clearly, right? We need to try and make each of the elements cohesive and harmonious with one another. So something that we can do towards this end is using consistent color like themes throughout the dashboard, using coherent like styles, right? Making it very clear and easy for the person looking at it to quickly identify what we're trying to communicate to them. Okay. So being clear and concise and valuable is what we're going for with our dashboard. Okay. Some general things in terms of our dashboard, we want the charts to be organized neatly into our rectangular page. We don't want the viewer to have to scroll to see the different elements. We want everything to be presented concisely on the same page, right? So the page itself needs to be organized well. Okay. So here's a bit of an example of a dashboard that you could create using the visualizations that we've made so far today. Something that you might notice between our different elements here, consistent colors are used for our suburbs. So Akimos is this dark green, and that shows up in all of the visualizations, right? Something else you can integrate into our dashboard that we haven't really shown much today are these slices that basically give the user the ability to filter the data in certain ways and show different elements of the data. This is some functionality you can use when you formatted your chart as a like pivot chart. Okay. So this is by no means a perfect dashboard, right? There's many areas in which this could be improved. And I challenge you guys, using what we've covered today and through exploring the like data set, try and make a visualization or like try and make a dashboard that is like better than mine. Okay, because you are like definitely can. All right. So we'll call it there, guys. This is the last video in our series for the week 4 tutorial. And I'll see you guys. I'll like see you guys later.